What's going on, y'all? Kev Drives back here with another video. I know what you're wondering. What the heck are you doing? Gee, I'm riding, y'all. Oh, fuck. Yo, e-bikes are so fun. I should have made content on this when I had my Razor. I used to have a Razor MX650, and I put a 72 volt system in it. It was built for 72, but I put 48 volts in it. And I made it go like probably a good 40 miles an hour. This right here is also a 48 volt system, but it's a 15 amp hour battery. Yo. So yeah, guys, Mustang is down right now. I don't want to put no more money into it right now, so this is my alternative. This is fun to do, actually. And cheaper. Sheesh. Yeah. Don't worry, y'all. I'm saving up. I'm currently saving up for an E-Ride Pro SS. I want to get an E-Ride Pro SS 3.0. Is this guy gonna cross? Is he looking? I got some time. Yeah, I like to keep it on the highest speed. I'm so used to a 48 volt system that goes faster. I think I had a Kelly controller on it and everything, and a 3,000 watt motor, 48 volts. I'm not even pedaling right now. I'm just literally just using throttle. I got a full battery, so I'm straight for now. Oh, this lady's gonna turn. Oh, she's making a U-turn. All right, let's go. I hope the camera looks good. I'm about to rerun this video real quick. All right, y'all, camera's good. Let's get the heck out of here. I'm gonna ride to the nice part of my city. Sheesh. All right, let's get it. Across the street. We're gonna ride over here. Gonna ride this part right here. Sheesh. I shouldn't have drove. Tell me how I'm getting home. Sheesh. I walk this route all the time, yeah. All the time. A loud ass Q50. Alright, we about to go. Yeah, it was hot as heck over here in Florida, bro. It was like 98 degrees. Sheesh. You hot, man?
Yeah, man.
It's hot as heck, huh?
Weather's been brutal lately.
I know.
All this damn rain, you think that by now we'd get a breeze.
Right, exactly. You have a good one, bro. Sheesh. Let's get it. Bro, I don't even want to pedal. I'm not even used to this e-bike. I'm used to just hitting the gas and going. Man, I need my E-Ride Pro ASAP. Road to the E-Ride Pro SS. Man, my gym is on that side, but there's a gym over here. My mom said she used to go here a long while ago. She said it's actually nice. Let's go ride by real quick, check it out. Not inside. I want to get a nice lock. This is my bike. It's my mom's bike. So shout out to my mom for lending me her bike. Love you, mama. Sheesh. Oh. Popo. Who's giving me that look like, you good, bro? I ain't giving me that stare look. Ever seen a guy on a bike before? What's he beeping the horn at? I look good. What's up, bro? Get a good workout in there. My mom said they had a bike rack over here. I don't even know if they have a bike rack. Nope, no bike rack. Let's go around this way. Oh, no bike rack. This is a big gym though. Like the crunching actually Kissimmee. I'll probably do more videos, you know, on different pedal e-bikes and stuff like that once I start saving some money. But I need to get that e-ride pro though first. I gotta get that e-ride pro first. Gotta build up to it, you know. I mean, look at the bike. Not that even, look, it's okay, you know. Shoot, look at me, bro. Yo, yo, let's go. Ah, yo, this thing is pretty nice, bro. For what it is, it's really nice. I like it. I like it. We're riding through the city right now. Little city center. Sheesh. Yeah, this is nice, bro. I like riding. I like riding. I need to do this more often. It's therapeutic, man. You're outside. It's healthy for you, you know. You're not stuck inside the house. You're outside. You're seeing things, you know. Interacting with people. Very healthy. I think Publix has a biking area right there, but I don't know how they would feel me walking in there with this whole equipment on a bag. I got my headphones in too. I'm listening to a little bit of music. I can't ride without music. I gotta ride with some type of music, you know. I haven't been in this part of the freaking city center though, so this is actually new to me, just as like it's new to y'all. Let's ride around a little bit. Woo! Smoothie Kings. Oh snap! They got a Smoothie King here. Right, me and Kara went there one time with Roman. Let's ride around here. Oh, this is the city right here. This is the park. What? Oof. I'm listening to 2 Chainz right now. Oof. This is all freaking new to me, bro. When I left, this was never here, bro. This is crazy. Oh. But yeah, guys, Mustang will come back when I get my funds up. So when I get myself together. So in the meantime, man, they're pretty low. Hold on, let's go back to it. That's it, clean, nice and low. Okay, semi truck, man. Made good money doing that. I tell you that. I made good money doing that. Man, I gotta get somebody to take a thumbnail picture of me. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Which way you going? Which way you going? I haven't rode a bike in like so long. It's probably been since freaking. I rode the freaking Razor e-bike, yeah. So I rode the Razor e-bike. Let's go into Hobby Lobby, y'all. Right in. Psych. Hobby Lobby don't have my hobby on there. Well, this is it. This is all the city center. I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting a little bit more. Damn. Oh, they got a bike rack right here. Legacy Lift. Oh, we can go that way. What's up, bro? You had a good workout?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, bro.
Looking good, dog.
Yeah, thank you, brother. Don't worry, you're gonna see me with a sir on next. You were riding slow. Come on. Shoot. I'm gonna blow past this guy. Where you going? Where you going? You going right? You going left? Come on, come on. I like the monster thing though. Nice. Woo! What is this? Oh, this is a little. What? Yeah, I'm not getting a Sur. I'm getting a E-Ride, bro. It's like they're like. I mean, it's a different bike, but it's like, you know, it's the same thing. You know, Sur is actually the company that started it. So, bro, I should have had him take my thumbnail picture. Damn. Oh, look, McLean. Yo, I need to get somebody to get a thumbnail picture of me. For real, for real. Big thumbnail. Ooh, what's a freaking Hellcat? We gotta make a U-turn real quick. Sheesh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Oh, this is this Bahama Breeze. But look, McLean, man, I used to work for them, bro. Damn, man. Things happen for a reason. I got arrested for drifting for a reason. To do this. Yeah, I gotta get somebody to freaking take a freaking thumbnail picture of me. Bro, look at this Del Sol right here. That thing clean. Well, it needs to be, bro, it needs to be on coilovers though. On coilovers. It's got some crystal clear headlights though. Yo, so this freaking town center goes all the way to hiatus? Yo, it goes all the way to hiatus, I think. That's crazy. This thing is, I didn't expect it to be this long. Shoot. Yeah, I gotta build up to the E-Ride Pro for sure. For sure. Bro, I need the freaking E-Ride Pro. I'm gonna get it, y'all. Trust me. I'm gonna freaking get that shit, bro. I'm gonna be patient, be consistent. Watch. I'm gonna bring content for you guys too. Pedal bike content, even content going to freaking beach and stuff. I'll ride from here all the way to the damn beach. Yeah, let's go this way. Shoo. Let's get it. Whoa. What? Yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna pedal a little bit, give the battery a little rest. Yeah. What's up, bro? Chilling. Oh, I should have asked him for a freaking thumbnail picture. Damn, bro. Man, if I had an e-bike, like a powerful bike, I would have go through this by now, but I'm just gonna wait a little bit. I'll wait for them to go. Got the helicopters on us. Oh, by the way, y'all, the military denied me. I got too much on my rap sheet. I start recording? I hope I did. Let's get it. We spinning, woo! It's an e-bike, yo. I'm not even going fast at all. I'm acting like I'm pedaling. I'm like... Woo! That cop is always there. Bro, just imagine E-Ride Pro, bro. Look at the E-Ride Pro. I'll be freaking wheelie this. I don't know if I can wheelie this. Let me see something. Let me not break my mom's stuff. I'll wheelie my bike when I get it. Yo, I can't believe I rode this far. This shit's crazy. It's only 23 miles on this bike too. Yeah, my parents don't ride, as you can tell. What's good, y'all? It's just another day in life. Yo, bro, you went over the curb. All those packages tumbling over. I heard it. I need a thumbnail picture, yo. I'm the biggest boss that you see, boss. Hey, this is me around. This is me freaking when I had my Razor, bro. Music, riding, fucking jamming out, speeding. Oh, living life, man. I saved so much money too, bro. You know, I could have been patient, and I could have like saved the supercharger as well. I had the supercharger on the car how it is right now and everything. If I was patient, that's the thing, man. I got no patience. That's why I gotta learn. That's why I'm like literally, like I'm not doing nothing. Like I'm not doing no, making irrational decisions like selling parts off the car and anything like that. I'm just like locked in just to work and grinding, trying to grind and get the freaking save up and get my damn E-Ride Pro instead of just selling stuff and just to get it, like let me actually work and fucking save, I haven't done that in so long, bro, like I gotta freaking get myself together, and that's what I'm doing. So we hustling, we grinding, you know, one day at a time. When I think about the future, we're working one day at a time. One day. Yeah, this bike is nice though. Well, yeah, I could definitely do a video for you guys. Going to the beach with this. Yo, I would do that for real. Yep. I gotta get a better lock though. I don't wanna get a really good. I wanna get the same lock I got when I had my Razor. I was confident to leave that anywhere with that lock. Ooh, we got the theater over here. Yeah, I remember when this used to be a Sears, yo. Like way back in the day, this thing used to be a Sears, Auto Center and all, like, and now it's a freaking movie theater. That's crazy. Oh, that's an arcade. That's cool. All right, I need to get somebody. I need to get somebody to get me a picture for real. Bro, let me get your front end real quick, man. We'll do a quick front end swap, bro. Please. How you doing, sir? I have a question, man. Could you take a thumbnail picture for me? Can you take a picture of me?
No, sorry, bro.
If I give you my phone, can you just take a...
That's all right, I appreciate it.
You don't want to take a... No? All right, thank you, bro. Just need a thumbnail picture. Just need a thumbnail picture. Yo, bro. I got a question, bro. Can you just take a picture of me? I'm a YouTuber. I need a thumbnail picture. I'm recording right now. Huh? Yeah, I got my phone. You good, man? I got my phone. Take it for you. Try to take it like long ways like this. Think, yeah, like this. You got it. Well, maybe not with this in the way. Let me go over here. This is actually my first bike video, but I do car stuff. My car stuff is I have a Mustang GT is down, so I'm using my mom's e-bike, gonna make some content with it. But shoot, how about this? We gotta do a couple. Just make sure it's like, oh, I heard that. Okay, hold on. You said what? Yo, hold on. We gotta look at it, bro.
Bro, let me get your YouTube too, bro.
It's Kev Drives.
Kev Drives?
Yeah. All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna try it again. This time zoomed in better, and then maybe I'm gonna go on this side so we get some light in it. See? Same positions. I appreciate you, bro. So my YouTube is Kev. Heck yeah, that's perfect. So it's Kev and then Drives. Yeah. I appreciate you, bro. What's your name?
My name is Dante.
Dante? Kevin, bro. Nice to meet you. I'll see you later, man. Thank you. It's a nice guy. Appreciate him, man. I know sometimes people get a little suspicious, you know, a little cautious. I understand. I understand why the guy didn't want to, the motorcycle didn't want to give me a picture, take a picture of me. But we good though, we good. We ain't doing nothing shady. This ain't shady drives, this is Kev Drives, you know? We driving this bike. Driving, riding. Woo! But yeah, guys, we got a thumbnail picture. So check out the next episode. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm gonna try to post as much as I can. I got a lot more time on my hands, so let's do this, y'all. Ready? Kev Drives out. Peace.
Baby, this year's my year.